What happens if the moon crashes into Earth? Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explore a hypothetical scenario that's been the subject of countless movies and books. What would happen if the moon were to crash into the Earth? Would life as we know it cease to exist? Let's find out. The impact. First and foremost, let's talk about the impact. If the moon were to crash into the Earth, it would cause a catastrophic collision that would result in massive destruction. The sheer force of the impact would cause massive earthquakes, tsunamis, and volcanic eruptions that would destroy everything in their path. The debris. In addition to the initial impact, the crash would also create a massive amount of debris that would be sent hurtling into the atmosphere. This debris would cause widespread devastation, destroying buildings and infrastructure, and making it nearly impossible for life to continue on Earth. The tides. One of the most immediate effects of the moon crashing into the Earth would be the disruption of the tides. The moon's gravitational pull is what causes the tides, so if it were to disappear, the tides would be severely affected. This would result in flooding, erosion, and other coastal hazards. The climate. The moon also plays a vital role in regulating the Earth's climate. Without the moon's gravitational influence, the Earth's axis would shift, causing dramatic changes in the climate. This could lead to extreme temperatures, changes in precipitation patterns, and other environmental catastrophes. The end of life. Given all of these factors, it's safe to say that a Moon-Earth collision would be catastrophic for life on our planet. The impact, debris, tides, and climate changes would likely be too much for most forms of life to survive. However, some scientists have speculated that life could continue in deep-sea vents or other extreme environments. So there you have it, a hypothetical scenario that's both fascinating and terrifying. While the likelihood of the moon crashing into the Earth is low, it's still interesting to consider the potential consequences. What do you think would happen if the moon were to crash into the Earth? Let us know in the comments below.